Hey guys, Crazy Kraken here, and I'm going to be showing you how to whistle. Haven't uploaded in quite a while, but I'm back and I'm ready to show you another tutorial. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go watch that now, and so let's get into the video. So I'm going to be showing you how to whistle with one hand, a step-by-step instructional video, so it's going to be very easy for you to learn. So let's start. Take your fingers like this, in an OK symbol. There's three different ways you can do this. By putting the fingers underneath your tongue like this, on the tip of your tongue like this, and in the middle of your tongue like this. This will work for people with skew teeth or gaps between their teeth, so don't worry. This will take you a while to learn, but if you try hard and you keep trying, you will get it. So let's start. Step 1, you can put your fingers either on the top, the tip, or underneath your tongue, like I said. So I'm going to be doing it on the top of my tongue, but you can do either of them, whichever feels best for you. So let's start. So what you want to do is you want to take your fingers like this, put it on your tongue like this, then put your tongue back in your mouth, close your lips around your fingers, adjust your fingers to fit your mouth best. If you don't hear a noise, just keep adjusting them different angles like this, or turn them around like this. And then once your lips are closed, make a small hole and blow. The smaller the hole, the louder the whistle and the higher pitch the whistle. So just keep moving them until you get it. So you're going to hear a noise like this. That's the air come out your mouth. Just change your fingers like this, and that noise means that you're close to a whistle. So just keep trying until you get it right, and eventually what it's going to sound like is this. It can get pretty loud, so watch out for your neighbors, but I'm glad to be back on YouTube, and I will be uploading more soon, so I'll see you guys in the next video.